Okay, we are now shifting focus to some political news. The Congress leader Digvijay Singh has attacked the Prime Minister after his speech in Kuwait. He accused him of spreading hatred between the Hindus and minorities for political gains. He said it's easy to release the genie of hatred but challenging to rein it back. He shared a post on the social media platform X and said that while the Prime Minister's international message promotes brotherhood, his domestic rhetoric fuels division through Hindutva. The BJP National Secretary Tarun Chugh also has hit back at the Congress party, saying that the Congress leaders instead are issuing statements which defames the country to please their masters. He said, unfortunately, Rahul Gandhi's so-called Guru Digvijay Singh's statement is highly condemnable. It's anti-national. When the best leadership of India is marketing India on foreign lands and spreading the flag of India at such a time, Digvijay Singh remembers only cheap things.
ऐसे समय में जब प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी विदेश की धरती पर जाकर भारत की चमक व धमक का परचम फैला रहे हैं और विदेश की धरती पर है, ऐसे समय में कांग्रेस नेता अपने आकाओं, अपने मालिकों को खुश करने के लिए देश को बदनाम करने वाले बयान जारी कर रहे हैं। दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। राहुल गांधी के तथाकथित गुरु दिग्विजय सिंह का बयान कठोर निंदनीय है, देश विरोधी है। जब भारत का सर्वोच्चतम नेतृत्व विदेश की धरती पर भारत की मार्केटिंग कर रहा है, भारत का परचम फैला रहा है, ऐसे समय में ऐसी घटिया बयानबाजी।
Let me go across to my colleague Manoj Sharma. Manoj, Digvijay Singh is known to stoke controversies, and also the timing is something which many would question. That, you know, when the Prime Minister is on an international trip, why do you have to make this kind of a tweet, which many would read it as wrong timing, anti-national, to use the words of the BJP?
You are right, Pallavi, because, you know, Digvijay Singh is considered as political guru of Rahul Gandhi. In the beginning of his, when Rahul Gandhi joined active politics, Digvijay Singh was associated with him as his political guru, in fact. And now what he is saying, that is why BJP is condemning Digvijay Singh, that what Prime Minister is saying, Narendra Modi is not Prime Minister of the BJP. Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. And what he is saying on international forum, and Digvijay Singh is saying something else. What he's saying that international forum, Prime Minister is saying something else on international forum. On the other hand, what he is doing in the country itself. So obviously, now Digvijay Singh is being targeted by the BJP on the ground that he should at least respect Prime Minister whenever he is abroad.
That's right. Thank you very much, Manoj, for getting us all these details. We're going to stay with